Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a high-fidelity prototype in Figma. First, let's set up our workspace. Begin by organizing your design files and components. Make sure all your frames are correctly sized and aligned for a consistent look. Defining your user flow clearly before you start is a crucial first step. This foundational work will save you a lot of time later on. Now, let's dive into crafting interactive elements. Head over to Figma's Prototyping tab to begin connecting your frames. You'll want to choose appropriate triggers like on-click for button presses or while hovering for showing tooltips. For smooth and engaging transitions, select animation types such as Smart Animate. This brings your design to life with fluid movements. Moving on to some advanced techniques, you can implement interactive components for reusable and dynamic elements. This saves a lot of effort. Also, utilize variables to create dynamic content and conditional logic, making your prototypes much smarter. Don't forget to explore scrollable frames and overlays for building more complex user interfaces, adding depth to your designs. Finally, it's time to test and share your masterpiece. Always preview your prototype regularly to catch and fix any issues early on. Once you're happy, share your prototype with stakeholders to gather valuable feedback. Remember, iteration is key. Refine your design based on user testing and the feedback you receive. This ensures a polished and effective final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.